Hi guys, welcome back to AJ Room, and this is AJ. So it's Serial Killer Month episode 4. So in this video we're gonna see about this serial killer have a Guinness World Record which most prolific serial killer in history. This is not 10 years ago, 20 years ago. This is have been 500 years ago, 600 years ago serial killer story which I talked in the previous video, which the Gilles de Rais. Like that, it's been a very many hundred years ago. So this serial killer is one of the most brutally serial killer that killing the victims. So this serial killer has a nickname. So the nickname is Blood Countess. Okay, and this is not a man. Her name is Elizabeth Bathory. So we're gonna talk about her and let's see more details. So let's get in the video, guys. Full name is Elizabeth Bathory. She born in Hungary on August 7 in year of 1560. So think about, we are now in the 2021 and it has been 500 years ago. This is happened 500 years ago. So she is born in a wealthy family. Okay, she had a big castle also. Shocking thing is her uncle is King of Poland in that time and her nephew is Prince of Transylvania at that time. So her relation are these two people, which Elizabeth Bathory relation are these two people. And after many years, at the age of 11, she was considered one of the beautiful girl in that place in Hungary, and she was well educated girl, and she was going to engage with a man, and his name is Nadez Dai. Okay, his name is very hard. Nadez Dai his name. So before she get engaged, she was a mother. Okay, she was a mother from another man, and that too, okay, that child was died. Okay, that child was died. So after that, okay, before that, I just want to tell, you'll think about now guys and girls are married in the age of 25, 30, 60 also have, 50, 60, 70, 100 also have. But that time people married at the age of 11. They wanted to engage at the age of 11. It's really very shocking, right guys? So if never shocked, tell in the comment that what you need to know and what you feel when this I'm talking about. So back to the matter. So after that, 4 years later, at the age of 15, Bathory was engaged to him, Nadez Dai. After she engaged, after 10 years, okay, after 10 years, she got 5 children. After 10 years, she pregnant and she got 5 children, and 2 dies of infants. 2 dies of because of that, and 2 daughters and a son has been survived from the infants. So after that, their life was going on, okay, but Bathory life, okay, her attitude has been very creepy, which not a good character, become more creepy. So after that, Nadez Dai, okay, he scold her, which got many technique where he torture her, as people telling, he torture her and beating her because of her creepy attitude, which doing some small crimes. But after that, in 1604, Nadez Dai died. Okay, Nadez Dai died. So after that, the whole castle, the whole place was not the whole Hungary, but the whole place in that Hungary, in a state, the state name is very hard. I'll put in my screen here the state name. Okay, after that, she hold that place. She bring whole of the castle control in her way, and after that she become the princess of there. After she control all over the place, so everyone need to listen her word. So her crime started to become very big. So after that only she started to make a big crime and doing a big crime, which she have a very big castle, right? Because she is a wealthy girl and she have very big castle. So she have many mates. Many young maids, only girls, Okay, only women and girls, she have maids only. So she killed them. She killed them brutally. She killed them, which she killed like the Jack the Ripper more brutally, which she just put like a campfire and she burned them alive. She burned them, and she got many methods. This is the first method. The second method is she will kill them, cut their neck and pour their up honey, or sometimes she won't kill them, tie her two hand, the victim hand, she tie the victim two hand, two legs, and she pour their up honey and put inside the up of honey beehive. She put off the beehive and she see them and laugh because she enjoyed that. And that is the second method. The third method is she bite them. Okay, this is very crazy because she bite on their shoulders and their breast. She bite. Okay, she torture them and kill the maids. Other method is she make the maid. Okay, she make the victims naked and she put a full of very big glass, just like a big aquarium, and she fill up full with ice and she ask them, force them to naked and push them inside the ice and close up. She torture them and kill them just like that. She killed, just make them naked and put inside, and she call it icy bath. Okay, they died. Like this many method, she killed them with brutally, no any innocent of the victim. This method really make me very shocked and crazy that she do that to the victim, which she take needles and poke through their fingers, nose, limbs and many places. She poke them. Really, she torture them, she poke them until they shout, cry and they suffer from that and they die. And other thing, she sexual abuse on them, she sexual harassment. So this lot method that they found, and after that she got caught when there was all over the public complaint on her, made a big complaint. So after that the people arrived, and after that the people I tell is the court people. They came and investigate them. Then they know that they found some bodies. Okay, I'll tell how many people, how many victims that she murdered. Okay, I'll tell that. Is really very interesting part. So after that they investigate her and she got caught, which found some of bodies. Then they investigate their mates, 3 mates and 1 female, that they knew that she tortured them also and they tell the truth. So after that they found that she had been murdered. Okay, she had been killed over 650 victims, more than the before serial killer, which the Gillis there is, I don't remember because I guess it's have been 100 or 50 or 60. I don't know because I forget. So I had been here. He also that mean this woman Bathory or the blood counters had been killed over 650 650 victims. So this is really very crazy thing. After she got, they lock up in the jail. But before they lock up in the jail, they just ask, why did you are killing these lot victims, these lot people? And she just answered that I would be more younger, as her belief, because some black magic people telling that she is a theory saying that she has black magic power, which she could be more younger. Okay, she could not be older, so she can be more younger. She not will be the older, like my old video, previous video, which I talk about the top 5 oldest human, the leeching one. Like that, she won't be old. She won't die very fast. The theory is saying that she hate maids or any other people were more pretty than her. She want to be always pretty. So this theory saying about that. So after they lock up her in the jail, she said, before she lock up the jail, she said, so after that she was not go to the prison. Okay, she didn't go to the prison and she go back to her castle. At the age of 54, Bathory has been died. or the blood countess had been died. In August 21, in the year of 1614, she was died in a castle. So they buried her. After that, her life have been ended. Elizabeth Bathory or the blood countess. So I tell you all the details. So I hope you learn something from this video. That's all it, guys. So today's video you all see about the Elizabeth Bathory story, okay, history. So it's episode 4. So I just wanna say, if you all never watched my previous video, which the episode 3, link in description, guys, and you all need to watch the episode 2 also, okay. First watch the episode 2 and then watch the episode 3. Link in description, guys. Just go watch it. So stay safe, stay home. If you all enjoyed this video, make sure press the like button to make me happy to do more new interesting video like this. And by the way, if you all watching this video and did you all not subscribe to AJ Room, just press the subscribe button. If you all press the subscribe button only, I'll be happy. Okay, I'll do more new videos and you can check it out. Right? But before that, don't forget to press the bell button. If you all press the bell button only, you all will get my all videos and you can check it out. So stay safe, stay home, be away from COVID-19. And the Malaysian cases increased to 250,000 I guess, and the death are cross of 1,001k. But our channel also are not yet hit 1k sub, but the death are over, Malaysian death are over 1k up, okay. So help me to hit the 1k sub. So stay safe, stay home only, guys. The vaccine are gonna ready, just stay home, stay safe, stay home, be away from COVID-19. See you guys in the next video.